video, I'm making a delicious and healthy snack that the entire family will enjoy, and it's peanut free. Stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen and welcome to the channel. Today guys, I'm making a delicious, healthy, and peanut-free snack that I think your entire family is going to enjoy. They're homemade granola bars, or oat bars as my son likes to call them. I make these granola bars or oat bars just about every week. And like I said, they are peanut free. My son has a peanut allergy, and so he can't have the regular granola bars that you would normally buy out of the store because it's really hard to find granola bars that are not made with peanuts or processed on equipment that has come in contact with peanuts. So that's why I create these granola bars especially for him, but the whole family enjoys them. So I think that you guys will too. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Karen, and this is a lifestyle channel. We enjoy cooking, cleaning, home decor, shopping hauls, every now and then a DIY. So if you enjoy that type of content, why don't you consider hitting the subscribe button and make sure that you tap that notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you're returning back to the channel, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me and this channel. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, guys, here are the ingredients that you're going to need for your oat bars. Of course, you're going to need your oatmeal, and I just use the Quaker Oats old-fashioned rolled oats. And you're going to need 4.5 cups of oatmeal, and I have that in my bowl. You're going to need flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Brown sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And guys, I'll make sure and have the ingredient list for this for the granola bars right down in my description box. You can use light brown sugar or dark brown sugar. All I have on hand is light brown sugar, so that's what I'm using. 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of honey, and then 2/3 cup of butter, melted butter. And then I keep my honey out just in case I need to add some extra honey to help to bind the mixture together. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start. Already have the oatmeal in the bowl. We're going to go ahead and add our flour, our brown sugar, our chocolate chips. Well, you know what I'm going to do first, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and combine the oatmeal, flour, and brown sugar first. And then I'm going to add in my chocolate chips. Okay guys, next we're going to add in our chocolate chips, our baking soda, and our vanilla extract. Let's go ahead and mix that together as well. All right, next ingredient is our honey. Let's go ahead and add that in. And then we'll add in our melted butter. And guys, you want to make sure that all of the oatmeal is covered and that the flour, that you can't see any more white flour. You can always add a little more honey, and I do that quite a bit sometimes. And just squeeze a little bit more honey in there. And that'll help the oatmeal to stick together and bind together. All right, let's see what that does. Now at this point, guys, you can add in some mix-ins that you may want. You can add in sunflower seeds, raisins, or peanuts if that's what you want to add in. I don't put any other mix-ins in this. I just stop at the chocolate chips. So everything is coated and blended together. Now let me go ahead and get my 9x13 pan. So I've got a 9x13 pan that I've covered with parchment paper. And I'm just gonna turn this granola into the pan. And I like to use the parchment paper because I can just lift it out when it's time to cut them. So at this point, guys, you want to go ahead and just flatten the granola into the pan. Use this spatula. We're going to go ahead and put this in the oven, a 325-degree oven, for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, the oat bars are out of the oven. I let them cool completely, and now I'm ready to slice them and put them in my container. But guys, stick around because I have a recipe, a quick recipe that I want to share with you using these oat bars. But let me go ahead and slice them and put them in the container. Alright guys, here are my oat bars. They're all cut up in squares and ready for us to have for this week. Now, I let the oat bars cool completely so that they would try to keep their shape, but they still end up breaking apart, guys. And so what I do, I still keep the rest of the crumbles here because I'm gonna make a quick parfait with these. So let me show you how I do that. Alright, so I've got some fat-free yogurt, plain yogurt. I've got some strawberries that I've cut up, and then I've got these crumbles of granola, and I'm going to use this to build a parfait. Okay, the first thing you want to do, I've got my little dessert bowl. You want to go ahead and add your yogurt first. Make sure that you can see it. So add your yogurt. You want to go ahead and add some strawberries. Let me get another spoon. And you want to add some of your oat bar or your granola right on top. Okay, and you want to do another layer of yogurt. Strawberries. And some more of that granola. Right on top. Just sprinkle it right on top. And there you have it, guys. You've got a nice parfait. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for stopping by today. Hope you guys are being safe, staying safe. Take care of yourselves and your family. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.